Hi, my name is Zihan and I work for Yunex Traffic UK and I'm a contract manager and I manage the installation and maintenance in Berkshire.
My name is Graham and I work for Yunex Traffic UK.
My name is Reece Casey. I'm an installation engineer at Yunex Traffic UK.
My name is Stephen Lee, work in Yunex Traffic UK.
My name is Paul Barnard, I work for Yunex Traffic UK. I do maintenance on traffic signals, any sort of repairs and anything up to multiple damage, also complete audits.
Hi, my name is John Crawford. I'm an installation supervisor and manage the install side across the South East.
I'm a new starter at Yunex Traffic. I'm excited to bring a safe and sustainable future to the traffic industry.
I love working for Yunex Traffic because it makes the roads a safer place, and we love to get involved in new road space and technology.
I love working for Yunex because I'm empowered to make decisions that impact the business and the community.
I love to work in the intelligent transport solution and make people's life better and the transportation more safe.
I like working for Yunex Traffic as I like supporting the local road safety around here.
We contribute towards making the roads more intelligent by developing innovative technologies. Join Yunex Traffic and become a traffic transformer and help us make the roads a safer place to be in.